sit, hit, it, fit, knit, lit, bit, mit, tin, sim, min, win, little, sit, hit, it, feed, need, lead, beat, meet, tin, seam, mean, win, knitter, problem, promise, profit, probably, stop, shopping, short, strong, honest, cough, holiday, fall, roll, before, do, so, short, boat, boat, spot, coat, tall, oh,